As long as fuck. Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Madman on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So this song's in standard tuning. You're not going to need a capo for it. You're going to finger pick with your thumb and your pointer the D and the E string. So the first part is your pointer fingers on the 2nd fret of D and your ring fingers on the 3rd fret of E. So it goes. So you're just gonna keep this going like that pretty much the whole time, and you're gonna be plucking the high string every now and then. So that's the rhythm for the whole riff. So that's 2 on the D string, 3 on the E string, and then 3rd fret D string, 5th fret E string, 7th fret D string, 8th fret E string, 5th fret D string, 7th fret E string. I think I said all those right. If not, just you'll figure it out here. So 2 and 3, 3 and 5, 7 and 8, 5 and 7. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up, just watch it again. You'll get it.